Welcome back. Today we'll be discussing CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. The exact meaning of that name isn't that important at this stage. All you need to know is that CSS is used to add styles to a website. There's various ways to add CSS to a page. We're going to do it by embedding some CSS into the head section of this document. So if I come up here and add a style tag, now in this area here is where I can add the CSS. CSS has two main parts to it. One is the selector to select elements, and then there are the rules, and the rules are used to style those elements. Let's say we wanted to style this header so that it is purple. The selector for that would be the name of this tag, h1, and then I use these brackets, and within the brackets is where I add the rules to style that element. And I can say here color is purple. This little square was added by the editor. I didn't type anything to make that appear. It's just a feature of this editor. So I'm going to save this document, and now when I refresh the browser, we should see this header become purple. There we go. Now let's say we wanted these three paragraph tags to be green. Then I can write another selector for them, which in this case is P, which will select all the paragraph tags. And inside of here, I can say color should be, let's make it dark green. I'm using the named HTML colors at this stage. And we refresh here and we can see that they've become green. There's obviously a whole load of properties that you can change. Let's give the header a background color, and let's make it light gray. And if I refresh this, we can now see that there is a gray background applied to this header. We can also center align that text if we wanted to. Text align, center. Now when I refresh this, now we can see that the text has been aligned in the middle of the page. Throughout this course we'll be digging into these selectors and rules and into a lot more detail, but for now I think this shows the main purpose of CSS, which is to style websites. In the next video we will dig into JavaScript to see what role it plays. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers for now.